Welcome to Writers ER, your go-to companion in the exciting world of master's and doctoral programs. Today we're going to talk about something many of you will relate to. The ABD, all but dissertation stage. This is a key part of your academic adventure, brimming with unique hurdles and inspiring tales of determination. Picture this. You've finished your classes, aced your exams, and now you're at the final hurdle of your doctoral journey, your dissertation. This stage can often feel lonely and filled with immense pressure. It can be the most daunting part of your academic life, but it's also where your grit and determination truly shine. Let's delve into what ABD really means. It's the stage where you've ticked off all the boxes for your PhD, except for your dissertation. It sounds simple enough, but the path is anything but straightforward. The dissertation isn't just a long essay. It's a major research project that requires time, commitment, and a deep grasp of your topic. Let's look at the stories of folks who've been in your shoes. Take Sarah, a PhD student in psychology. Her journey wasn't always smooth sailing. She had to balance her research with her personal life and tackle self-doubt. But Sarah didn't let these challenges hold her back. With a clear plan, support from her mentors, and a lot of determination, she turned her struggles into stepping stones. Then there's John, a history PhD student. He faced a tough time finding primary sources for his research. But John didn't throw in the towel. He found alternate resources, tweaked his methods, and ended up improving his research. Plus, he picked up some handy problem-solving skills. The ABD stage is a great time to sharpen your research skills. You'll dive into literature reviews, figure out the best way to do your research, and learn how to present your findings in a compelling way. These skills are crucial for your dissertation and will be valuable in your future career. Time management is key during the ABD phase. Just ask Maria, an engineering PhD student. Maria had to juggle her dissertation work with a part-time job. By setting realistic goals, breaking her work down into smaller tasks, and prioritizing, she managed to balance her work, study, and personal life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content to help students like you. The ABD phase can feel like an emotional roller coaster. It's normal to feel overwhelmed or alone, but remember, you're not alone. Having a network of friends, mentors, and family can really help. Regular chats with your supervisor, joining study groups, and asking for emotional support when you need it can make a big difference. Staying motivated can be tricky. When the finish line seems far away, it's easy to lose sight of your goal. Setting small, achievable targets can keep you on track. Make sure to celebrate these small wins. They're the building blocks to finishing your dissertation. Keeping up with your field of study is super important. Regularly reading journals, going to conferences, and joining in academic discussions can give you new ideas and insights for your research. And finally, let's talk about the best part, finishing your dissertation. This is the moment you've been working towards, the result of years of hard work and dedication. Completing your dissertation isn't just an academic win, it's a personal victory that shows how much you've grown as a scholar and researcher. The ABD phase can be tough, but it's also an amazing part of your academic journey. It's a time to grow both personally and professionally. Remember, every PhD student's journey is unique, but each one is a story of triumph over challenges. Thanks for joining us today at Writers ER. We hope these stories of determination have inspired you. Stay with us for more helpful content on dissertation writing, research methods, and much more. Remember, you're not just writing a dissertation, you're building your future. Keep going, stay inspired, and most importantly, believe in yourself. As we end today's video, here's a final thought. The journey to completing your dissertation isn't just about academic success. It's about finding your strengths, overcoming your weaknesses, and growing as a scholar and as a person. The ABD phase is your chance to shine. Here at Writers ER, we're here to help you every step of the way. From literature reviews to research proposals, from grammar tips to creative writing techniques, we cover everything. We're dedicated to helping you succeed in your academic journey and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content to help students like you. Got any questions or want to share your own experiences? Leave a comment below.